Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. In this video today, I'm going to talk about Amazon's Associates program and how Amazon has slashed once again the commissions for affiliates, and it's upsetting a lot of people in the affiliate marketing world. So let's get started to discuss this. Alright, welcome to my slideshow here. Is Amazon Associates dead? I'm not sure, but it's sure looking like it, guys. So, biggest news right now, they just announced yesterday, they sent out an email to all their affiliates who is in the Amazon Associates program. That's what their affiliate program is called. And all the affiliates are called associates. And they also call their commissions or our commissions advertising fees, because that's advertising for them, that's marketing money for them. So what happened is that it's no secret that Amazon is always changing their commission structure to not favor the affiliates. It seems like through the years, I've been in affiliate marketing since 2016, guys, and through the years that I've known the program, they've been decreasing, but it has never been this drastic of a change. So I want to discuss this because there's going to be a lot of affiliates who has websites that are dependent on Amazon's affiliate program, and I'm going to show you some ways how you can kind of adapt and move forward without Amazon, because you, from the looks of it, you better be prepared that there's going to be no more Amazon affiliate program in the near future, guys, okay? Let's take a look at the changes, okay? So effective April 21st, 2020, Amazon is reducing the amount of categories from 13 to 8. These categories are like the broad categories of the commissions for each section. So I'll show you on the charts in a second. But they had a lot of categories and different rates, right? And now that huge list is shrunk to only 8 categories. And so the commission rates are going from, they used to have 1 to 10% commission rates, and now there's only 2 commission rates, 1% and 3%. Wow. So now, why did this change happen? Well, we're never going to get an answer because Amazon never comes out and tells you. The email that they sent is always, oh, of course, they do make sure that you're okay during this pandemic that we're living in. And so they start off with that email, I hope you are safe, but I'm going to take away all your commissions now, is the next sentence. So there's no explanation from Amazon why they're slashing. So the next thing is like, okay, we are in a pandemic, and they were going to only ship essential products first and only concentrate on selling essential products. So maybe that's the reason why they're slashing, because they're only focusing on that. Maybe there's not enough money to go around, but I also hear that they're having the biggest, highest sales ever. So it is definitely not just essential goods, because I myself have been shopping on Amazon during this pandemic, and they've been shipping everything. Probably though it was supposed to be shipped a month later, I still get it within a week. Okay, so they are very, very busy, and that's probably, this last point is probably the reason why the program, the affiliate program for Amazon, is shrinking to nearly nothing. So I just want to go through the charts here. So on the left side here, this chart right here, down this way, this is the old chart, okay? So you see that there are 13 different rates here. I don't count this 0 part because obviously you don't earn anything on gift cards, but there are 13 other rates here, okay? Now look at this, from April 21st forward, you have only 8 lines with only 1 and 3%. Are you kidding me, Amazon? So the worst thing is that they even took out this last part, guys. This last part, wow. All other categories, cut. So you're literally just left with these categories here to promote, guys. So when this all category, this is pretty much everything else on the freaking platform, and now they're taking that all away. So what is left? You have home and home stuff, and then you have music stuff, music and beauty, and some business supplies here. You have still outdoor stuff. You have groceries, sports. That's not bad to have sports still there. Baby products, that's good. And health and personal care, but at 1%. And then Amazon Fresh, which is their groceries, at 1%. I mean, who's gonna talk about groceries on their blog? Like, really? So they've taken away like clothing, so that's gone. They've taken away all these devices, digital music, and handmade digital videos. They took away a lot of stuff, guys. They took away all their own Amazon products, and then electronics. All the electronics are gone. I mean, they didn't have great rates before either, but then now it's just zero. So, so that's how that goes. So, I mean, those are the changes, guys, and it's drastic. And if you had a website that depended on this program to make you a lot of money every month, your revenue is going to go way down because of this, especially if you don't have a website that talks about any of these categories that's left here, okay? If you don't have any of this stuff here, you are doomed. What can you do to move forward? So how to move forward? You can stick with Amazon if your website has those categories, you know, that are left, okay? If you have one of those 8 categories that's left, then you may be able to stick around. But even with that, I would still use some of these other options that I'm going to list out here, because it looks like they're probably going to like kill the program. It's just that they don't want to kill it right now because everyone is going through so much. So I think they're just still skinning us slowly here, okay? So I think you should plan that Amazon affiliate program will be gone in the near future. So sticking with Amazon is very risky if that's what you want to stick with. The next thing you should do if you have a category that is eliminated or planning to get away from Amazon is finding new affiliate programs pronto. So there are many other programs still, okay? So CJ is an affiliate network, and Share a Sale is also an affiliate network. What that means is that it has a whole bunch of companies in there that have affiliate programs. They run the affiliate programs for those companies. And what happens is that when you go into these 2 networks, you will be looking up the products that you want, then looking up the company that you want, and then applying directly to the companies. So sometimes the companies will approve you instantly, or you may have to go through an approval process. Or you could go through the brands or companies directly, which is the private affiliate programs. So let's say Apple, Walmart, Target, you could go directly to them and they have their own affiliate program. You definitely need to find new affiliate programs to replace your Amazon links and everything else. I mean, I can't imagine the links that you guys have to update. I'm pretty happy I'm not in that situation right now with having an Amazon site. I can't imagine the revenue you guys will be losing with this. So the other option that you can add to your website is use CPA marketing. So CPA marketing is cost per action. And so you're not even having your visitors to buy anything. It's all about signing up and doing some kind of action for them. So it's either submitting an email address or something like that, and you get paid. You could be paid either from $1 to or 50 cents to like $3 or $5, or sometimes even a lot more. It depends on what it is. But so you could do something like that, offer something to sign up for some kind of offer, and then you can have another revenue source without making any sales. So that's a great option. The next thing is get away from physical products, because you can make a lot more money with digital products. I mean, I understand if there's certain niches out there that are hard to find digital products for, but there are also a lot of niches that have a bunch of digital products that you can. So you need to think outside the box. Go on Etsy or go on some kind of online course platform like Udemy or Skillshare.com. Those places will have tons of courses for you guys to promote. So these online course platforms have multiple categories. So you should be able to find an online course to promote on there for your website, okay? So you never know, you may be able to find several, and then you can get a regular income that way if you keep promoting digital courses or something like that. Another option is seeing if you can find some kind of membership site for your niche and see if your visitors, your audience will find it useful to sign up for some kind of membership site like that. And that would be even better, because then you'll be earning recurring commissions for the membership subscriptions that they'll be paying month after month. So that is one of the best ways to earn. That's how I earn my affiliate commissions. The fifth way that you can add to your website and add another revenue stream is using your own product. So you can actually create your own digital product, which is even easier. So I'm not even talking about, creating your own physical product. That's gonna be hard. I've been there, okay? It's hard. And you have to wear a lot of hats and everything. And so I don't recommend that unless you have, the resources for that. But if you do like a digital product, it's totally viable. So you can make your own online course for your niche that you can sell directly on your website, and you can make a lot more money that way actually than affiliate commissions. So the sixth is about advertising. So if you haven't put advertising on your website, this is a true passive income, because you just need to set it up and you will get automatic income just from the traffic that you get on your site. So if you have a very high traffic site, you should be earning ad revenue on there for sure. So one more thing I want to mention is that if you're new to affiliate marketing and you haven't been able to get much results, I urge you to check out this one site, okay? I urge you to check out this site. And what this site is about teaching you how to build your affiliate marketing website properly, okay? So if you already have an affiliate website, it's great, it's fine, and you can use that and continue to use that. But why you're not getting results with your affiliate website is because you haven't done it properly, okay? You're obviously not doing the correct on-page SEO or off-page SEO, or know how to use the keywords properly to bring traffic to your website on its own. So if you were to do it properly, you would be actually getting tons and tons of visitors to your website and earning a full-time online income from your website. So that's the potential of having an affiliate marketing business and having your own website that uses this model. So Wealthy Affiliate is the training platform for building affiliate websites. And in fact, you get a free website when you come on here, because you get to start for free. But you need to upgrade to premium if you want the entire training, of course. With your free account though, you do get the first level of the training for free, which has 10 lessons in it. And in those 10 lessons, you're going to get a free website already that will be live on the internet after you finish those 10 lessons. So once you upgrade to premium, you're going to get 4 more levels of lessons, and it's very crucial you go through them, okay? The rest of the lessons are the ones that would teach you how to drive traffic automatically with your website on its own so that it can make money by itself, okay? So for you to get to the site with my face on it, guys, you do really want to have me on here, guys, okay? You want me on here because I am a super affiliate on this website, and I can be your free coach if you go premium, okay? And to get to this site, you need to use my link, which is workanywherenow.com/team Littlemama, okay? So this link is also going to be the second link in the video description below, and I'm also going to link it up here in this corner somewhere, okay? So you just got to click the corner and go find it. All right, so I've been here on this platform since 2016, guys, and that's where I learned how to build my website and used my website to become a super affiliate. So if you haven't had much results with your affiliate website, I urge you to take some proper training so that you can build it properly and make it work for you, because it is a very, very awesome business model and I love earning in my sleep. So I hope you check it out. And I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel so you can learn more ways to make money online and more about affiliate marketing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can see when my videos come out. I come out with videos every single week, multiple times a week, but I have no idea when they come out. So get notified, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.